Greetings everyone, this is Manisha. I welcome you all in this video in which I am going to explain you how to make a C program to calculate the sum of first 10 integer values, and then how can we change the same program to calculate the sum of first n integer values, right? The logic that we are using here is we are going to take two variables. Like here I have taken one variable s which I have initialized to 0, and the next variable is I, which I have initialized to 1. Now s will be used to calculate the result and I will be used to run the loop. Loop will be run by the time i's value is less or equal to 10, right? And inside the loop what we are doing here is we are adding s value to I and assigning to s only, so that in the next run we can use s new value to which can be added to I and will be assigned to s itself once again, right? And then i's value will be initialized each time. Okay, now to imply this logic in our program, we'll be using these concepts, right? Now we are going to use variables, data types, control statements. In control statement we are going to use loops and iterations, right? Predefined functions we are going to use, and some operators will be using. Regarding all these concepts, I have already made some videos. If you have not seen those videos, please click the I button and visit my channel. Now, variables, we are going to take two integers, right? The data type will be integer, obviously, and %d is the conversion string for integer type of variables. Now control statements will be using loops. We can use any kind of loop. We can have while, we can have for, or we can have do while, right? Predefined functions that we'll be using is clear screen, printf, scanf, and getch. Now to use all these functions, we will be needing header files stdio.h and conio.h. Operators that we'll be using is less than equal to, addition, and assignment operator, right? Let's see how can we make this program in our compiler. Let's have a look at this program. This program is to calculate sum of first 10 integer values. As discussed over the board, we have taken two variables for this. I have been initialized to 1, which is going to let's have a look at this program. This program is to calculate sum of first 10 integer values, right? Now as discussed over the board, we have taken two variables for this. One have been initialized to 1, right? This will be used as counter for our loop, right? And the second one have been initialized to 0, which will be used to calculate the result, right? Now inside the loop, the body of the loop says s is equal to s plus I. Now i's value within the loop is going to go from 1 to 10. That is why I have been added to s and assigned to itself only, right? Okay, so this after the loop we are going to have the sum of first 10 integer values. Now let's run this program and see the output. Right, this is the output. Sum of first 10 integer values are 55, right? Now let's change this program to calculate the sum of first n integer values, right? For that we need one more variable. Now this variable will be scan. Printf will use enter a number, scanf, %d is conversion string for integer type of variable, so %d, and this is how it will be scanned. Now in our this program we were having the sum of first 10 integer variables, sum of first 10 integer values, right? That is why this loop was done 10 times. Now we are going to change it to have sum of first n integer values, so this loop will run n times, right? Instead of 10 we'll write n. The body of the loop will remain same. We are going to have the output in the same manner, but here we may write that first n integer values. Okay, let's run this program and see the output. Now suppose number enter is 5. So this is how we are going to have our result, right? I hope you have understood this program. I will be back with more programs like this. So till then, keep watching. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, share it with your friends and like my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.